to the track. It's kind of windy, but everybody's trying to roll on in. All the Daytonas are here. Got some Mustang there. Cool AMC. There's Keith's Duster. How'd Lucky get on the track? Look at that. It's a Challenger. Let's see. There's the guys. There's Sean's Daytona. Fast as fuck. Just a little preview of the Willow Springs International Raceway. Just hanging out right now. There's Tim's Cuda. There's a sweet 69 Charger, I believe. Yeah, it's a 69. There's Tim. Alright, so we're here at Willow Springs. There's that Mustang. Alright guys. Here's Tim's 7 Cuda. I don't think this thing has mufflers. It's loud as fuck.
Right here. So we're trying to figure out the wire
Set up for the barbecue right now. I'm gonna go help out.
Yeah, I want to spin a rod bearing last time.
That was an adventure.
Well, I tore the motor apart.
What happened, Jackson?
Oh, we're getting the key from the nice lady at the house that we rented.
Yeah.
Great woman, very nice. All very pleasant, happy to see us. The only thing is, the place is a bit smaller than the photos.
Oh yeah. Well, I guess I'm staying here today.
Yeah, it's tighter than we thought, that's for sure.
It's all right. We'll work out. Keep each other warm.
Were you gonna get a room?
I'm sitting here.
Was that your original plan?
That's what I did last year. Yeah. Yeah.
That was your plan from the get-go. So
Oh yeah,
if I
yeah.
can't get a room, so
I worked great last year, so yeah.
you roll the door down.
Yeah. I got a cot and a sleeping bag. Same thing as last year. So
That's perfect.
yeah, Steve. So.
There's no showers here, are there?
No, there's a bathroom, but I brought like wipes. Best you could do, right? So I'm going home tomorrow anyways, tomorrow afternoon, so it's not a big deal.
He's got a 70 convertible. He's got a Donovan in it. That was the 19 custom.
The barbecue's going on. Here's everybody.
Nah, I wouldn't want to be part of that thing.
I don't trust myself.
Not proven. You only have one moment of advantage, but we got around it.
Well, I I've got a kill switch on the dash. Doesn't matter. That's all. Okay, sorry. On that, throw the other thing. He wants in now. He didn't believe you when he said you didn't have to hit the gas with the clutch. What's that? He said he didn't believe you when you said you don't have to hit the gas with the clutch. I know.
It's not impossible that servers here. This is some kind of a damned.
Hey guys, it's Raceway Productions here inside one of the garages in Willow Springs International Raceway at the Big Willow track. Made it to SoCal, Rosamond, California in one piece. No major issues. I'm just doing some last minute checks on the CUDA, some maintenance items, checking my fluids, retorquing my lug nuts currently in the middle of that. I did have a small issue where my brakes felt kind of spongy when I tried to bed them. Driving on the way over here to the track, they were pulling to one side when I did, applied the brakes, trying to bed the brakes earlier. So I found out when I got to the garage that the bleeder screws weren't fully tightened, so some fluid seeped out. I bled a little more. I was able to go to the auto store and pick up a 3/16 vinyl line and bled some more fluid out, and then tightened down all the bleeder screws. Went outside again and ran it up to 100, and tried the brake system, and then felt fine. No sponginess or no weirdness. It felt like normal. Much more solid brake feel. So just doing, like I said, some last minute checks, and I'm going to turn in for the night. It's going to be early morning for tomorrow. So, but yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow, and we'll be at the event.